realistic Chronomatic 2600. A little bit of damage here. I don't remember what that's from. Friend bought it years ago, tried to convert it to 24 time, did not work. So he gave it to me because I had a lot of issues. So I figured a fun project. What's wrong with it? I don't remember. Let's find out. Plug it in. Okay. Oh, god damn it, Jen. Well, okay. That's part of it. Half the display is out.
Bizarre and Storm Pat.
Done. And then I tattoo tomorrow.
So okay. That's off. Okay. 201. Okay. Okay. Shit. Okay. Set one alarm. Set you. Oh shit. Needs a good cleaning. Shit. Okay. Okay, then I'll sit here and wait. This will be on radio. Alarm 2 is on radio. Alarm 1 is on... Okay. God damn, that's loud. Wait, what? I think it's... That was fucking weird. I think the capacitors are reforming. Or whatever. It's like... It's waking up. Batteries, because there's none in here. 4 watts. Yeah. I don't know how many watts this is actually taking right now.
Second free, get a free.
Euro corner.
Tonight. He played tonight and finished with 29 points, including a...
That's hims.com/joy for your free online visit. HIMS.com/JOY.
Commercial contractors, if you're looking to build for the future...
Okay, that's weird. Anyway, so, if that clock seems to be fine. I swore I had an issue where the radio was not correct, but I don't know. Also double check. Yeah, there's no battery. There's no oh, there's the terminal. Okay. I open this thing up and we'll see if I can get the this. Got got the bottom open. See a couple issues, like how the fuck you supposed to put battery in when that was in. So I think I know I went in here before, tried to do something. But now I have a YouTube channel to do it. Yay! That, I think that's the FM antenna. Yeah, that's the FM antenna right there. That's really... Oh, and then it takes the path. That makes some sense, I guess. Now to see why... So where is it? It's right here. How does... Okay. You connect to... Wasn't there a schematic in here? Or am I thinking the other one? The other one's the one with the schematic. Okay. This one is just... Once it stops working, you throw it away. Yay, consumerism! Okay, no. I am wrong. It's this side. It's right there. Okay, and then it goes into here. So I have to go somewhere in there. How I go in there? That's a good question. I do have to... Okay, so I'm going to have to take this out, take that out, and then take that out. Well... Ooh! Nice. I didn't want that to come out. Ooh, that's very crispy. Probably because this has been on all the time. Now, there's a line in the middle here. So why is... I'm trying to see. Is there ground? Oh, that is grounded. No, it's not. Like, I'm trying to figure out. So, I don't know. I don't see what would cause the display to be dimmer on one side. We can try powering it on. So apparently, whenever you power this thing on or off, it will always play the radio. I don't know why, but yeah, so what I'm about to do is... Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, yeah, you can still see it. It's very dim. I don't know. I can see what's ground. Try to figure out what's ground and then... Yeah, you know. Okay. That's pretty... It is a pretty blue. I just wish this side wasn't darker. Because I don't know what it is. It's like... This is a slight... Yeah, it's just this half. Because it's like, as soon as it crosses this line, it's brighter. Okay. So I'm looking at this. I was measuring the voltage. Notice how... Okay, I'm going to do this. You can see the numbers here, and you can see the letters here, but you can't see these two letters. There's something with these two letters. Now, they are all... From what I can tell, it seems like there's a diode or something that's neutering those. So it could be the IC. I don't want to... I think it's weird, though, if the IC is doing that. It's also all AC, which I also find very odd, but... Yeah. I haven't been able to light these up, though. That's the thing. I've, like, grounded it out and... Yeah. Not grounded it, but, like, I would connect it to the neighbors. Its neighbors. Anyway. Here we are several days later, and I have said what it is I went through. So, I took it apart, as you can see. I then went through the screen, and I found the ground. So, apparently... Actually, hang on. Easier with light right now. So, there's this clock chip here. And then you have all this. So I went to all that. Like, I found the ground of that. of the chip, and I went through every single one of these pins to see the voltage. You have the AC voltage and the DC voltage. And then, now what I did was I took this. This is to the AM lamp. I'm just gonna have to turn that off. So there you go. And then go through the pin like. Okay, I took, because it's bright. I went through some of the pins. Blink, blink, blink.
Now through June 20th,
Shit, that's the wrong button.
shot at up to $1,000 with finalists winning $500 and more tickets to the
Nice.
Tequila Festival. Then on May 30th and June 13th, player will win an 8
Oh, you fuck.
suite. Earn 1 entry for every 7 points and score 7 times entry.
That's the right button. Okay. Okay. Time up. Okay. So I don't know which pin goes to what, but oh, see, okay. That one, bright. Okay, that one. See, okay. Actually, that's. There it is. Okay, one side is bright, one side is dim. So it's the actual screen itself. And I can't get a replacement one of those. I can't find a parts number. Shit. I don't want to shut that out. I can't find a parts number, so I'm just gonna put it back together. Sadly, the screen will not be fixed, but yeah, it's still a very pretty clock. Okay, put together time. Power. Let me power it off. The fuck? There it is.
Done.
I'm sorry, that's just, I always find that funny. Time to see if it powers on still. There we go. Ignore my roommate.
You miss at home. I love it, but
Frankly, what?
forget that way because rates are crap. My rival was
travel for
Now,
your work. And you're
from the chip I saw, I actually have the chip right here. There's apparently a pin. This one I could disable to turn 24-hour, but the actual display, the pinout would be very different, I think. I could try that in the future. I could try to convert this to 24-hour, but I don't feel like it, especially with how this display is. I can get a different one, though, I guess. These things are like $10 on eBay. They are pretty, though. I love it, especially when the radio's on. Hell, radio off. Now, what I've also noticed, okay, let me turn on the radio again. Okay, I'm dimming. See. And then it comes back up. But it's flickering because it can't keep time. I think that's what that popping sound is, all the way until yeah, it basically can run up to any voltage. The radio works basically fine. It's the clock part that actually requires all the power, which I find it very interesting, especially for a clock. And don't forget my favorite feature. I can never get used to that. I'm sorry, that's just funny. I was about to end this video and then I realized I forgot something. I don't remember if I did, at least. That's what the alarm sounds like. Also, oh shit. Oh fuck. The dim is broken. Uh-oh. Ah shit. The issue is with that is that these it's like these screws. What the okay. It's not something in the way. It's like the pressure put on by these. I'm trying to make sure it's not too loose. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh. See what I mean? There you go. In case you want it dim, because blue light, you know, is blue. I do like the battery light, even though it basically says it not worky, by the way. I fixed it. So, that's the that's the realistic Chronomatic one attempted repair. Not very successfully, but hey, I tried.